Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce budget overruns with YNAB easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start reducing budget overruns with YNAB, first, open the YNAB application or website. Create a new budget if you haven't already. Next, familiarize yourself with the various budget categories available. Identify your essential categories like housing, utilities, and groceries. Input your monthly income to set a realistic budget foundation. Allocate your income to each category based on your spending habits. Aim to give every dollar a job to ensure no money is left unassigned. Monitor your spending closely throughout the month. Utilize the spending by category feature to track your expenses in real time. If you notice one category nearing its limit, adjust funds from other categories if possible. Consider setting aside a buffer for unexpected expenses in your budget. Review your spending at the end of the month to identify any trends or areas where you overspent. Use this data to adjust your budget for the next month. Incorporate more precise categories if needed, for better tracking. Set budget goals to motivate yourself to stay within limits. Establish a routine for reviewing your budget weekly or bi-weekly. This can help you stay accountable and make timely adjustments. If you experience unexpected expenses, record them immediately to keep your budget accurate. Refine your budgeting methods as you become more comfortable with the platform. Finally, remember that budgeting is a learning process, so be patient with yourself. By following these steps, you will be on your way to reducing budget overruns effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.